In this episode, we're going to learn how to solve a problem. It's fun to play at recess. Sometimes, though, you can get frustrated when playing with a friend. But there are many strategies that you can use, and here are some for you to try. The first thing you can do is take a deep breath. This can give you some time to calm down and give your brain time to think about the right response. If someone is doing something you don't like, you can say stop. This lets your friend know that you're upset. Then you can talk about how you're feeling with your friend. Make sure you use words such as, I was hurt when, or it hurt my feelings when. That way, you're describing how you're feeling. Your friend may not know. Sometimes you can make a deal with your friend. For example, if you want to go on the swings, but your friend wants to go on the slide, you can make a deal. You'll go on the slide first, and then go on the swings after. If these strategies don't work, you can always walk away. You don't need to say anything more. You can just turn around and walk away and play somewhere else. These are all great strategies to use when you have a problem with your friend. Now that we've learned how to solve a problem, let's see if you can identify what the student is doing right. What do you think she's doing right? You're right. She's taking a deep breath. What do you think she's doing right? You're right. She's making a deal with her friend. I hope you like this lesson on problem solving. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.